What is the difference between same name widgets in Elementor? Elementor is an advanced page builder plugin comes with a set of default widgets. Although you can add more customizable widgets to Elementor as an add-on. For instance, Raven is a custom add-on for Elementor developed by Artbees, which represents new useful elements to Elementor. To have Raven elements, go to Jupyter X control panel and from plugins make sure Raven is installed and activated. After you add a new add-on to Elementor, you may see multiple widgets with the same name in Widgets panel in Elementor. Let me give you an example. For example, heading. These widgets are actually developed by different developers which may represent different customization and features. Let me give you another example. You can check those out and choose most suitable widget for your need. Thank you for watching.